Check out this cheap 2019 Cherokee Trailhawk. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include wheels, 17 inches x 7.5 painted polished aluminum, STD, comfort convenience group included, remote start system, power liftgate, security alarm, universal garage door opener, rear view auto dim mirror, engine, 3.2L V6 24 VVVT with ESS, STD, power front fixed rear full sunroof, transmission, 9-speed 940 AT auto with active drive 2, STD, quick order package 27E Trailhawk included, engine 3.2L V6 24 VVVT with ESS, transmission, 9-speed 940 AT auto with active drive 2, 3.517 axle ratio, STD, premium Alpine speaker system and black cloth premium vinyl bucket seats. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase